This is crazy.
Mom. That's your mom. See how she's looking at you? More? Dad,
God. Can I visit him in? He's in jail?
you okay?
No. What you said before? If if they wanted us, I don't get why we were taken from them. I don't get what happened.
Look, it was a long, bad, but see, the main thing to say is the government. They don't like us very much. There's poverty in our communities for sure, but a lot of kids got taken. Social workers coming in and our mom hid me out in the bush. That's the only reason I'm here. I have 5 kids. I had a few running with cops a while ago. Small things. Some farting, but now I'm careful not to. You do the smallest thing. I think I think that's how it goes.